Hey, what's going on? It's Eric Techstuffs, and I'm back with my old Stryker and my new Stryker. This is the SRA-10 mag mount. It'll also be different features here, but yeah, same scenario here. This one here has been beat around. I didn't like the lights on it, so I taped it up, and this thing's been through it. But yeah, taking it apart, this thing's everything didn't get greased properly, and that's my fault. So I'm going to start with a new one, and I'm going to take the light ring out, which is right here. But yeah, once they get all kind of corroded together, they kind of self-destruct with these coils because you're trying to untwist it, and these coils are starting to bend since there's resistance on that. But when you start with a new one, these nuts come right off. No big deal. You're not going to bust anything up. And dielectric grease will get all put in all the connections up top. It already has it down below. We're also going to put it, well, as you can see here, this one is the old one, but we're going to put some up on the top there because it does drip down. This one, as you can see, even though it goes through that other grommet and stuff, it corroded down to this point. So it's definitely dripping down the little antenna hole here, and just you know, so slowly causing issues. So yeah, we'll do some dielectric grease, pull that light off. It's kind of awful if you're doing sideband and stuff, and it's blinking through the windows. But yeah, like I said, I taped it up, and this time around, I'm just going to pull the ring off. And I have a spare one here. You can even just have these hanging around your shack if you want to. But yeah, these kind of nice antenna, but that's one of the things you can fix real quick. But all right, I got to get back to this so I can get my antenna back up before it starts raining. So a very good time to do all this and grease it all up, so it will stay nice and clean and new and easy to get at if I ever need to take this apart and not have it self-destruct on me because my own negligence of putting on some dielectric grease and keeping up with it. And we're going to go ahead and do that this time around. Okay, well, I figured I'd show you end result of all this. It's pretty greased up. Got it all back together again. And yeah, dielectric grease on the shaft here, screw hole here, dielectric grease up here on these screw holes as well, and on the antenna element on a little bit up top here just to give it a little bit of extra. I know a lot of people have either done Vaseline or they'll use some antenna putty and put it up there so it can't get inside, or coax tape. Putty tape is what I meant to say. That way moisture can't trickle down, because yeah, that was the end result of the old one I had there. But yeah, I got to go ahead and I put a little spray adhesive to attach this. This one is just a little bit cut wrong here on this side here. It should you can see where the line is and where it should be, so it doesn't fully seal. That's fine. We'll use some spray adhesive. It gets moved every once in a while, and this one here will be good as a temporary antenna. No wonder my SWR was high. I have the rainstorm coming up here. It's what, 9 o'clock tonight to 11 o'clock tomorrow, so it's definitely going to be a rainy project day. So I definitely need a temporary antenna. I'm going to work on that end fed with the 49 unun balun. That one is definitely necessary, but this will get me by while I get back to some communications. And yeah, I have these trinkets. I think you could probably take these, and if you run enough power, you can hang them from your rear view mirror, or you could you know, put them right under where the antenna base is. Possibly you can get a little bit of wattage to turn these lights on. But yeah, otherwise that's one of the downfalls of this antenna, but yeah, it's easy to rectify if it's a new antenna. So we'll see 73, and we'll see you in the next one. Appreciate it. Eric Techstuffs.